Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of Starline security. Today we've protected this 2021 Ford Mustang with a Starline Immobiliser. So the way it works, if someone cloned the key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up, it would start up as normal. As soon as they go to select gear and drive away, the car will switch off. There we go. So if the customer wants to drive this, they have to pass authorization. This can be done by either using factory buttons in a push sequence they choose between 3 and 21 presses, or by connecting up a phone. So with the buttons, start the vehicle up. We'll then pop our disarm code in, which we've left nice and simple at 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody, and we can drive and select our gear. This can also be connected to a phone within Bluetooth adjustable range with an app called Starline Key. So if it's connected to the vehicle, we get a green circle, and this means we can hop in it with the phone locked and in our pocket, start it up, hear a melody straight away because our phone's passed authorization, and then we can drive off. No need for a code. Lastly, if the customer wants to take this back to Ford and get it serviced, they obviously won't want to hand over the phone or give them the code to disarm it. So they want to put it into service mode. The easiest way to do that is back in the Starline Key app, press and hold on this key, the green circle will go to yellow. When it does, release and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, so this is now in service mode. So if we started it up, it'd select a gear, no need for a code, no need for a phone. Ford can service it, move it around their workshop and so on. When you get it back, just do the same thing in reverse. Go from yellow back to green, release, 2 bleeps. There we go, and it's protected again. If you want to test this, turn your Bluetooth off, give it 10 seconds, and then start the vehicle up and try and select a gear. We may not have left that long enough, so we'll just do that again. Give it 10 seconds. So now we'll just start it up now, should be long enough. Select the gear, and it switches off. So as I said, we're Immobiliser Fit. Number to us is 0208 212 7393, and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.